Hi, my name is Sara Beltrame, Admission and Orientation Counsellor at Salle Campus Barcelona. If you're considering to apply to one of our undergraduate programs in English, such as architecture, business, computer engineering, or animation and visual effects, this video tutorial will help you step by step with your online application. First, you should know that Salle Campus Barcelona-Ramon Llull University is a private university, officially recognized by the Spanish Ministry of Education. It means that if you want to apply, you need to meet some specific entrance requirements. We do accept students that have completed their Spanish baccalaureate and get selectividad, IB students that get their IB diploma accredited with the UNED, any European diplomas, again accredited with the UNED, and other non-European diplomas, validated this time with homologation. We also accept transfer students. It means those students who started a program in another university and they want to finalize their studies at Salle Campus Barcelona. At Salle Campus Barcelona, we do not have a specific entrance grade. We evaluate each one of our candidates based not only on their academic performance, but also on their motivation, vocation, and other relevant aspects. So, if you are ready to start, this is what you need to do.
If you are a senior student attending your last high school year, you can start your application. We do not have a deadline for the application, but we do have specific number of spots available per program each year. So we encourage you to start your application, not to end up in the waiting list. In order to start applying, you need to go to our website, Salle-URL.edu. Select Admission, select the box called Degree Admission, and click on the admission process and sign up. Here you will find the link to the online platform.
First, you need to go to our link and register your email and password. Remember to use the personal email you normally check. Select the studies, the program and the group, based on the language you would like to study in. If you are currently studying at a university or you have finalized a college program, you should also fill this information, providing with the name of the campus and the program you attended. In the personal information section, you will need to provide your personal and family's details. In the section called Education, you will need to fill the information of your school and the diploma you are going to get. Finally, we step into the documentation section. Here, you need to submit your academic grades last 2 years. Pay especially attention to the subjects related to the degree you are applying to. If you're a transfer student, you need to upload your academic records and academic program, with the full subject's contact and the ACTS per subject. If you already have it, you need to submit your diploma. Upload a motivation letter. It's a personal statement where you will be able to present yourself and your experiences. It's your chance to really make a good impression. So try to let us know all the relevant information that describes you and what sets you apart. Upload a digital picture of yourself, preferably with a white background. You can take it also with your mobile phone. Upload your passport. Upload also a recommendation letter from your high school counselor or professor. Admission process fee. All international students need to pay a non-refundable fee of €100. Remember to attach the receipt on the platform. You can pay through the online shop or via bank transfer. Here you can find the details. Provide any language certificate you might have. Admission test. The admission test will depend on the program you are applying to. Animation and visual effects. You need to upload a storyboard of 8 vignettes describing a story and define an original character.
You can also upload your personal portfolio.
Architecture studies. You need to submit a portfolio with at least 3 artistic, graphic, or visual documents, such as designs, drawings, collage, picture.
Management of Business and Technology, Digital Business Design and Innovation, and a degree in Business Intelligence and Data Analytics. You will receive via email the link for an online test to assess your knowledge and skills.
Engineering and technology. You need to upload a research essay or a 2-page essay in which you describe a technological idea. This is your moment to shine, so take your time to answer the questions and prepare all the mandatory documents. Once you have uploaded all this information, remember to submit your application. Our admission officers will accurately revise all this information and schedule the online interview with a professor or the director of the program. Our admission committee will revise your application and give you an answer via email, with the resolution within 15 days. At this point, you will be able to apply for a scholarship on the same link.
Once you get the answer, you will have 15 days to decide and book your place by paying the reservation fee. The reservation fee payment guarantees your spot in the program. On July, August, and September, we will start the enrollment procedure. It is at this moment that you need to certify your access to Spanish university with a UNED certificate or homologation, depending on your education system. Remember, you won't be alone during this journey, so feel free to ask your counselor or our admission officer team for any support you might need.
Be aware that during the academic year we offer different activities such as open days, webinar, open classes, and other activities that will help you to decide your future studies. I hope you found this information useful, and remember, work hard, do your best, and we hope to see you on campus.